Hello, everyone. This is a quick test to see how well you understand safe driving at intersections. It's simple but super useful, especially for beginner drivers. So here's the task. Which car should go through the intersection first? A, red car goes first. B, green car goes first. C, both can go at the same time. D, both must stop and yield to each other. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. We'll show the correct answer using a simple animation at the end. I'll set a 10-second timer. Think carefully. All right, let's break it down. Let's repeat the question. Who has the right-of-way, red or green? Here's the key rule. If the paths of the vehicles don't intersect, they can move at the same time. In this case, both cars are turning right. Their paths don't cross, which means they can safely pass through the intersection at the same time. So the correct answer is C, both can go at the same time. But here's something to think about. What if the same situation happens but with 3 cars? Or even 4 cars at an equal priority intersection, all turning right? Write the correct passing order in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple animations and easy driving tips made just for new drivers.